Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Also, from a disclosure standpoint, I do own Apple from the long side in my retirement accounts, so just keep that in mind as I go through the analysis. Well, did this analysis on Friday and talked about how this red line here was now going to be an area of resistance at 112.50, but it got a very nice movement up today. So the first update starts off with just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So now 112.50 is going to be a very helpful and a very revealing level of support. How is it going to be helpful? Well, not to state the obvious, but from where it was at its lows on Friday to where it is right now, that's been a nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, yeah, but I mean, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce? And I have no idea. But again, that's where 112.50 comes into play. Because if the price, and I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down here and then just break down through there, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point, from a very literal point of view, that'd be putting the price, well, right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 112.50. As far as areas of resistance are concerned moving forward, next key battleground to watch going to be right up there at the 117.50 mark. So 117.50, public enemy number one moving forward. But all in all, very nice way to start off the new week. Now just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.